Hello everyone, it's another edition again on showing you some different process on how to make shoe. I am your aspiring footwear professor, Peter Shalom Gebe. Today I want us to just look into this wedge and see a different approach on how to make a wedge. In this very design, we'll be focusing on the upper and the insole, how they were being attached. The process is simply creating the insole and attaching the insole to the sole before attaching the upper on the sole rather than under the insole. It's just another process that we can use in creating our own shoes. Here we have the rivet nails that we'll be using, the insole, the heel, and the upper. The adhesive used in this very project is the PU adhesive, that's a white adhesive that needs heat reactivation before attaching. That's a polyurethane. This adhesive will give you room for you to reactivate it with heat. If you don't know the adhesive, we have different kind of adhesive that we use. The brown adhesive is known as the neoprene adhesive, where you sun dry or air dry. And you have the latex, which is the white adhesive, mostly carpenters workshop use more, and paperwork, that's the latex where you can use for upper preparation. And we have this very one, the PU adhesive. All of them have a method of application, but in this project the right adhesive for this very sole to come in contact with the insole is PU adhesive, because the material, the sole rather, is made of material that will only take the adhesive. If you notice, the unusual thing about this project is I'm currently attaching the insole without attaching the upper, because the design is not giving room for me to use the upper under the insole. So we're attaching the insole first to the sole. The upper will be attached at the edge of the sole itself. Now it's time for us to attach our upper and make sure we have a very wonderful design. I just did this because just to show us a different approach towards making wedge. The adhesive I'm using here is the epoxy adhesive, popularly known as super glue. The epoxy adhesive has a direct contact. When immediately you apply, you have to stick it immediately to hold this very upper. And the aim is to have even though it's a temporal contact, because the main contact will be the use of tacks, these rivet nails or the tack nails that I'll be using for the wedge. It's a special nail purposely for wedge. It will be able to hold the sole and the upper together, and it will last a longer time. Now we are only attaching the upper. Everything about this upper is it must be exact the size you are making. Thus, if it's 40, make sure the upper will be able to take 40, because it's not going to be lasted under the insole, but rather it's just placed at the edge of the sole itself. Now we're done with the first one. Let's attach the second one as well. Then we'll now use a nail to hold them together. This is just another way of you designing your special product of heels. It is advisable that when lasting a shoe, you use the right shoe last to last it. But in this case, I don't have to use a last. Why? It's just unique. Everything is exact as it's supposed to be. But advisable, if you are lasting such a product, you are not sure of yourself, make use of the last to help you out as you get the design. Sometimes being a professional, I want to do some things that you know how to do best, because I took serious measurement and made sure everything is in order. That's why I'm not using the last, because I know someone will definitely ask, why are you not using the last? Because the last is important. Now let's attach the nails together. As you can see, I'm only piercing the nail and send them in to the sole where it will withstand the pressure. We hope you've gotten value on this very channel. If you've gotten value, please don't forget to leave a like. Also, click on the notification button and be notified on our subsequent video. And if you have not subscribed to this channel, it's very important that you subscribe to this channel and share with someone. Thank you. I remain your aspiring footwear professor. Let's keep doing this. Expect more videos coming your way. Leave your comment on the comment section. If you have any question, you can ask us questions on the comment section as we have someone to attend to you.